Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, I'll be going over how to apply different styles to different scenes in the video on Pictory. So let's get started. To unlock the magic of diversity by applying unique styles to each scene in your video, with Pictory, every scene can be a canvas of its own. So here's how to make each scene stand out with its own style. Step 1. Choose your desired scene from the storyboard, just like the screenshot displayed. Step 2. Click on Styles and explore the possibilities. Select from Templates Styles, My Styles, or the Styles library. Step 3. Pick a style that resonates with your scene. Upon selection, watch the style effortlessly transform your scene's appearance. Step 4. Repeat the process for other scenes, infusing each one with its own distinct charm. In just a few clicks, your video becomes a tapestry of creativity, each scene showcasing its unique personality. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.